I get to the dance. How can I shop when I see you for ass? Talking that talk about business again. People that I would do business again. I want some talk like 2 sets of twins. Put it twins, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akila, also known as Keela Amazing, and today I'm coming at you guys with a video that's a little bit different for my channel, but you all can definitely expect more videos similar to this, more girl talk, more relatable type of videos coming soon. So if you are not already, definitely be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. But in today's video, we're going to be talking all about feminine hygiene tips as well as vaginal health issues, including bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, odor, dryness, irritation, all that stuff, girl. We get into the nitty gritty. We talking about that kitty, that cookie, that nookie, that yoni, that flower down there, whatever you refer to your lady parts as. So if you struggle with any of these issues and you have been looking for a solution, look no further and stay tuned. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product that is called Boric Acid Suppositories, which helps relieve all of these common issues. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right on into it. So if you all do not know, bacteria that live inside of a healthy vajayjay love acidic conditions. So if your vajayjay is alkaline, which is the opposite of acidic, that makes it prone to different issues that I mentioned before: odor, yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, all of that. And this can lead to a lack of confidence. It can lead to you spending money to try to fix it and cure it yourself. So boric acid, which is the main ingredient in Boric Life, has been around for years, and it helps to treat any type of issues that you got going on down there. And it's 100% safe to use down there, as it has been tested by doctors and gynecologists. And what's great about this is the fact that it does not require a prescription, and it is proven to treat bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, itchiness, dryness, odor in 7 days. That's all it takes, and it can be used at the first sign of any type of issues. So for example, if you happen to get irritation around the time of your period, you can go ahead and start using it around that time to prevent infection. And Boric Life is great because it was made in collaboration with gynecologists, so it's definitely meant to work. They do have over 1,000 positive reviews on Amazon, and it's a #1 bestseller in the United States and Canada. And it is scientifically proven to cure BV and yeast infections. So this stuff is the real deal. This stuff will get you right if you are having some concerns. I promise y'all, pop one of these in for a week. I promise you guys, you'll definitely see some major improvement. So you're probably wondering, how exactly does this work? So you'll take one of these suppository applicators, which can also be found on their websites, and this is what the suppository looks like. And then you'll just go ahead and insert it into the applicator, and then push the bottom of the applicator up. And it's very similar to inserting a tampon. And these are meant to be used nightly for 7 days. And caution, do not take these by mouth. These are meant for your lady parts. These are not meant to be ingested. And by the way, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you do not want to insert these suppositories. And NutraBlast does also carry pH testing strips. So if you are having any concerns about what's going on down there, you want to make sure that you are testing your pH. And the way that this works, you'll take a swab, insert it down there, and then rub it on one of the test strips. And based on the color of your results, it'll tell you what your pH balance is. So if it's any of these colors, you're good to go. However, if it's dark green or green, definitely want to look into that. And the strips can be ordered online, so this not only saves you a trip to the doctor, but it also saves you money because you can do it right in the comfort of your home. But anyways, if you all are interested in any of the NutraBlast products that I have mentioned, definitely be sure to check down below in the description box. And they also do offer a 100% money back guarantee if you are not satisfied. So you all definitely be sure to check them out. All right, so for the next tip, we're going to be talking all about cleaning down there. So if you all do not know, your cookie is self-cleaning. So there's no reason for you to be using any type of soap or harsh fragrances or anything like that inside of her. However, if you're like me, you may like to clean the outside with some type of vaginal wash. It's super important to clean that outside just so that you can prevent any type of odor, any type of bacteria. Make sure that you are washing her daily and keeping her fresh. All right, also the next tip is panties, your undergarments. When it comes to that, you want to make sure that you are wearing cotton underwear, and that is because it just allows your lady parts to breathe. As cute as the lace panties and the silk panties are, nothing does your vajayjay better than cotton panties. And also, it's super important to let your cookie breathe. It's okay to sleep without underwear, or you could even wear a pair of boxers. Tight clothes, tight undergarments can cause irritation, yeast infection. So it's just super important to give it a break and let it just be free. Next tip, to avoid any risk of bacteria entering your lady part, make sure that you are wiping from the front to the back. If you're wiping from the back to the front, sis, what are you doing? No, you do not want any bacteria from back there coming to your lady parts. You want to keep her protected at all costs. Protect her at all costs, okay? Because when that does happen, that also does lead to yeast infections, UTIs, bacterial vaginosis, all of those things. It can lead to irritation, dryness, all that stuff. Make sure that when you do wipe, you get everything, and I mean everything. No drip drop. Make sure that you are wiping until you are dry to prevent any type of odors. Next tip, super important, make sure that you are changing your pads and tampons often. If you're wearing a tampon, make sure that you're changing it every 8 hours or sooner, depending on your flow and how heavy it is. If you're wearing pads, make sure you're changing it every 4 to 6 hours. To be honest with y'all, I'm more of a tampon person. And then when I go to sleep, I like to wear pads so that, you know, everything can just flow naturally and I don't have to worry about any leaks. Wearing tampons for a long period of time can actually cause toxic shock syndrome, and ever since I became aware of TSS, I've just been super cautious and super aware. So you all definitely look into that. Next tip is diet. We've all heard the quote, you are what you eat, and it is so true. What you put into your body, you get out. So if you're eating good, you are going to feel better. If you're drinking proper amounts of water, your lady parts will be hydrated. If you're eating bad, that will definitely have a negative effect on your lady parts. So definitely make sure that you're eating lots of fruits and veggies. Make sure that you're drinking lots of water. At the end of the day, waste does come out of that area, and just make sure that you're keeping your diet clean so that she can be clean too. And one last thing that I want to mention is that, ladies, we all have a smell. We all have a fragrance. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's totally okay. It's totally normal to smell down there. It's okay to make sure that everything is good down there. Everybody has a smell. Not saying that it's bad, but it's not going to smell like peaches and sunshine and rainbows and unicorns, okay? However, if that scent is fishy, yeasty, any other stuff, definitely make sure that you go see a gynecologist and do some research and just do what you need to do to make sure that down there is as healthy as possible. But anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. I know for a fact I did not touch on everything, and there are way more tips out there. So if you have any, definitely be sure to drop them down below in the comment section. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.